I didn't expect how much they would show up. I found them on Google Maps. They have great reviews on Google Maps and they're close in the area. Seems like they've had a lot of experience with historic homes. And among all the contractors that we interviewed, they're the fastest turnaround in terms of getting us quotes, timeline, so it just feels very easy. That's how we decided to go with them. I was surprised by how fast everything went. Like basically, everything was quite on schedule. And in terms of quality, I think all the subcontractors has been amazing, but especially the Tyler. His work is just phenomenal. Even the inspector commented on it. He was like, oh wow, this is the best tile work I've seen in a long time. So overall, the quality is really good. They really listened to what I wanted and was able to deliver my vision. Specifically, we had some discussion around how we want to do the shower bench, and they suggested we use a whole slab of stone, but I really wanted to go for the tile look. So they were willing to accommodate that, and the end result is very good. Even if it's not something that is the most standard in their practice. I would definitely recommend the company to my friends and family because again, the communication has been very good. It's very transparent. I don't feel like I'm very confident about the decisions I'm making throughout the process. And just the overall project management aspect of it, that they were able to keep things on time, on budget. I think that is very important. Both Homer and Solomon are pretty involved in the whole process. I didn't expect how much they would show up on site because they're the general contractor, but they're really just here every day, every other day. And when there are certain emergencies or old houses have new discoveries as you open up walls, they are able to make it on site to troubleshoot very fast. So I really appreciate it.